guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before in black and 27, but now this one is color 133, since most of you have been asking me for plain colors, black or 133 or 27. So this is 133. I also have plain black. So just comment down below guys if you love this style and if you love this color as well. And then also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. First of all, going to apply foundation on the nape right here just to make it blend well with my complexion. Sometimes I always apply the foundation or not. If you ask me to apply the foundation for you, I'll do that, but I don't like applying the foundation for my client because I don't know your skin tone. Not unless you tell me your skin tone, that's when I can apply the foundation. I'm going to use this foundation. Just take a generous amount. This is like this part.